Can't declutter? Oh, so you tried all the decluttering techniques. Take out what you bring in, start in small sections, have a donate box, ask yourself, do you love this? Does it bring you pleasure? None of that worked. If none of that worked for you, I have just discovered the key to unlock the decluttering problem. Now I see clearly why some of these techniques works for some people and it doesn't work for others. Oh, this is so exciting. I've been cleaning houses professionally for 30 years. I know how to declutter. I've helped hundreds of women declutter. I don't have declutter issues. I know how to do this stuff. I even give decluttering advice. I even do decluttering challenges on Instagram. But when I hit my 50s, decluttering started to be hard for me. How can it be hard for me when I know this like the back of my hand? So I started to do a deep dive. Why is this not working? I'm following all the tips and techniques that I used before, that I used to help people, but it's no longer working. What is wrong with me that I can't do this? And then after doing the deep dive, I came to the discovery. I've discovered two things. This is discovery number one. It's stages. Now hear me out and let me give you some examples. In every stage of life, our lives are different. Therefore, we need to declutter different, and we declutter for different reasons. And the mindset is different. Now let me give you some examples. When you're in your 20s, you have a small space. You're either living in a bedroom, a dorm, or a shared apartment. You have everything in a small space. You declutter totally different than you would in your 30s. In your 30s, you have probably gained a spouse, you've probably gained small children, and decluttering when you have a spouse and small children is very different to declutter than in your 20s. Then when you're in your 40s, your small children have grown. You've probably got a bigger house. You've accumulated more stuff and you don't need that anymore. And your children are getting older simply, so you declutter different. But in your 50s, we declutter different because it's a different stage of life. Our children are grown. We have still a large home. We have all this stuff that we've accumulated and probably a lot of stuff from our parents that we're dealing with and accumulating, and we've grown emotional ties to it. So decluttering in your 50s and 60s is really different. Discovery number two is, oh, before I forget, if you could please give me a follow. This helps me grow my channel. It helps me reach more people. It helps me help more people. And it helps me know that you're interested in my content. And I'm doing a pretty good job. I also love comments. I answered each and every comment. And I would really like to know if you want me to do a deep dive in each stage of life decluttering. In order for us to declutter properly, we have to kind of go through these stages. If you didn't learn how to declutter in your 20s, you're going to have a harder time in your 30s. If you didn't learn how to declutter in your 30s, and you're going to have a harder time in your 40s and so forth. So it's kind of important for us to go through these stages of life and learn how to declutter in that stage and to get to the next stage, and really all about the stages of life you're in. So you can't take someone decluttering when they're in their 30s or 40s and apply that to your 50s. And you can't apply my decluttering tactics when I'm 50 and 60 to a 20-year-old. We have different mindsets, different stages of life, different thinking, different reasonings why we would want to declutter. Because I feel like it's totally different, and I know them all very well now, except for the 70s and 80s. But I am helping a lot of my elderly clients as well as my mom and dad with that stage of life, and just learning what I've learned in my 50s. I'm 56. It is really preparing me to get to the next stage of life. This is a bonus tip. I want to also say, always about decluttering. They want to make it out like it's really easy. It's a rational decision. Do you want this or do you want that? when really it's really about the mindset. It's not the stuff, it's the mindset. And here you are right here, and you need to envision where you want to be over here and why you want to be there, why you want to have this decluttered life over here. Why is that your goal? Why is the decluttering over here your goal? What is it that's going to help you do in your life? What kind of stress is that going to relieve? What is that vision over here? Now, you also got to think over here. What if you don't? So, why do you want the declutter? And what if you don't? Now, if you take action, you will move forward to this direction of decluttering. If you don't take action, you're going to stay exactly where you are. So here's the challenge. It's difficult to move forward, but we have to learn and know it's going to be a little painful to move forward, and we can't if we still are hanging on to the past. You can't be in your 20s and be in your 40s at the same time. You can't be in your 50s and 60s and still being in your 30s at the same time. You see, it's all stages of life. We do different things. Thanks for hanging out with me, and I'll see you next week.